Okay guys, another problem on this Mazda. So I just solved the AC problem, and right now the AC back to work, and the customer will be happy with us on the summer day, hot day. Okay, anyway, another problem we got, as you can see, another complaint right here. You can see right now I turn the emergency light on, and then it's just flashing on the left side only. So this vehicle, the key always stuck on ignition like that, because somehow I don't know, it's when you open the door. I hate this sound, reminder, ding 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 ding. I will hear that sound later if I need to open the door. So right now the emergency light working on the left side only. As you guys can see, we have here on the left side working and nothing on the right side. What about the back here? The back here, as you can see, nothing on the right side, and we have the rear lamp is also working. So let's go see, close the door and turn off the emergency light. Okay, turn on the key. What the? Why? Okay, anyway, let me turn left signal. Ok, con ăn gì chưa? Hey, as you can see right now, I turn the left side signal, and you can see it work the same thing. When you turn, like I turn the emergency, you can see the front side work on the left, and the rear working. See? What about the right turn signal? As you can see, on the indicator, nothing. Yeah, out here, the front, nothing. In the back, also nothing. Okay guys, right now I leave the key on like that. Key on engine up, with the door open, all the lower dash cover here already removed. I put it right there. Yep. And you know, the side cover here pushed out, and the flasher already removed. It located right here guys. If you have the same model, when you want to deal with this, so go ahead, this the location right here. Okay, and right now, like, okay, if I need the key up, you can hear the sound like that. How I hear that sound? By using the magnets here, and I have a big magnet here. Okay, same thing now. The door is closed, but it's still open, working on it, because I don't want this sound continuous to kill my ear, kill my brain. Okay, and I have the wiring diagram straightened out here. Okay, let me talk a little bit about now you can see right here the pressure unit, the whole thing in here inside with two switch like this. It's not switch, it's the relay, because as you can see, the coil here control this relay. What it is on the left side front, left side rear. When we turn the emergency, or even we turn the signal on the left, we have both. That means I don't worry about the power field, everything here on the yellow green wire. We have power here to let on the left side work, and this power feed also share to the right side when you turn the switch to the right side or the left side. Okay, anyway, even on the other switch, when we turn the emergency light, you just work only on this. So now we have to check to see when we turn the left, we have power here, of course, but when we turn the lights, we have the power here or not. Okay guys, before we check for the circuits, we have to understand here, as you can see, is on the wire in the background. Here's the battery, and you can see the battery right here, and then this is the ground. Battery negative is run along to all the light bulbs like that. So even the ground is connect to share the circuit inside the flasher unit right here, and also on the emergency switch right here. When you press on the emergency switch, it will send the ground to the unit. Okay. Anyway, go to another side of the unit, and you can see the positive battery here. I don't worry about anything in D field. I don't worry about anymore until this field, or 15 field, and the yellow green wire. I don't worry anymore, because when I okay, come on, bye now. Okay, have fun. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I don't worry about any more D field because I have the left side working. Okay. Yeah, this side, the left side guy, is okay, right? I put it okay right here for myself. I know that. This side I don't worry anymore, because when this side, the relay send the power to the left side and matching with the ground, and the light bulb working. Anyway, even emergency. So how, as you can see on these relay, the left side relay and the right side relay, and also share the power feed here, right? Okay, now I can let you guys see right now the key up. I can check on the yellow green wire to see we have the power there or not. Okay, simple here guys. It's just only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wire, and as you can see the yellow green. Yeah, I have the power on yellow green. As I put this right here, we have power, of course, because right here power, and this relay when the switch engage and the left side working. And what about the green and white? Okay, now I need the key on and listen switch, and I will turn whatever side. You can see the wire here green, and the green and red. We have here, as you can see on the units here, the green, and the clockwise is the green and red. So now I need the key on first. Okay, I will turn the left signal guys. The left signal, it will tell me, I don't know on this. The left, it will switch to the green or green and red. It will be power. Okay, power, green and red. Yeah, as you guys can see on the green and red, we have the power. And what about the green one? Also, what the, let me see why one is saying the ground, one is saying power. Okay, of course it work on the power one. Yeah, you can see right here it work on the power one. And what happened if I turn the switch to the right signal? The right signal, and you can see the clicking frequency seems to be faster than the left side. Yeah, and we have the answer here. What about the green and white? Green and white? Which one the green and white? Which one the green and white for? Yeah, the green and white right here, guys, for the right signal. Yeah, we have the ground only. We have the ground only. No. What does it mean? We have the ground. Why am I to say in the ground? Because the ground is go through the light bulb and go here, and I measure right here. I have the ground. What does that mean? That means inside this relay may be problem. So let me turn off the camera and try something. I want to pump the power here, and you guys can see maybe at least you guys see the light indicator is turned on. Okay, let me turn the signal off and remove the camera. Okay guys, I want to borrow some power from the fuse box here. Let me check it out. Yeah, this fuse should be easy to remove. Yeah, I have the power on this fuse when the key up. So I will remove the fuse and then I will check again to see the power come from where. Yeah, from the top slot. Okay, and then I have the T-pin and back pro in the back of the flasher here for the white, green and white wire to check on the right side to see how the wire circuit everything here to the ground and the light bulb, something like that. And I just see I have the T-pin here and connect to here the female connector. I know that I use the red color, so on here the red color I will put to the. Okay, let's go around the vehicle. As you can see on the top here we have the right indicator. Okay, now here we have in the front, that means the circuit working to the front and the light bulb is also good. And what happened, as you can see, yeah, we have the rear too, and somehow it flat faster than the left side. I don't know. So let's see. As you can see right now, the right indicator, the same test. If I want to know same circuits on the green and black for the left side, right side, green and black. What the green and black? Okay, let's see. Yes, this one for the right side, the left side. I will put the back pro pin in first, and then again this on the left side. Okay, you can see in the wiring diagram like green and black, and I put the power on it. First thing I would like to see, and you can see right now we have the lab signal indicator. So, and what you see the rear, we have the left side. I just let you see that and on the same tag for the circuit. But that means I don't need to open this, I don't need to open the rear to see the light bulb, check the ground, and I don't need, earlier I checked for the right side already, I don't need to open this, I don't need to open in the rear right also. And anyway, so now I have the answer here, guys. This flasher with the built-in the two relay, one for left, one for right, and for the right one already broke. So how we do something in here? Let me open and see. Okay, let me open the cover here. You can see it, the two clip right here, and take the cover off and see what's going on in there. Okay guys, this one easy to pop it off by just using the pocket screwdriver. Tried it out, the lock right here, and on another side, pull it out. As you can see, inside the flasher, like I say, they built in two relay. You see, and I don't care which one the left side, I don't care which one the right side, but as you can see, one here, another one here. You can see the relay coil, control coil here, and another one here. So no way to change this relay, but let me see if I have some, you know, in the back here, it get bad connection to see what's going on. So I don't think so, but you can see the squeeze, it seems to be okay to me. So that's all I checked for the electrical circuit here on the turn signal system here. First thing you guys understand how the circuit works. You can pump before you pump the ground or power to the circuit to let the system work. Like earlier, I pushed the power to the wire back pole to here to let all the light bulbs turn on, and then let me see from here the wire to the back to the front, no problem. And I will tell the customer what to do. As you can see right now, I turn the signal to the left. Okay, as you can see the indicator to the left, and see the guy working. So we don't got any problem with the left side, but so now I will turn to the right. Yeah, you can see right there to the right now it's working. So what I found look like it from the back side here, guys. We have the shoulder in here is no good on this cemento, and on this right here. Yeah, when we just shake like this and the back working. Okay, let it work normal like that and see if we have the right side or not. Then you can see the right side working. I will re-solder on that. And so we have the right side working now. And what about the rear? Yeah, also working. Huh, interesting. So what about I will turn it to emergency. Yeah, you can see both. And you can see both relay. Yeah, working. You can see, guys, the same. And go check for the light. Okay, we have here the front left. We have here the right front. And we have here the rear right. And also the last one we have the rear lamp. So I found this relay is still working good, but as you can see, let me turn before I kill the batteries. Yeah, turn it up. Yeah, turn the signal up. As you can see on here, hopefully you guys easy to see. I don't wanna. It's it. Yeah. Okay. Let me use the thing for you guys easy to see. Oh man. No, anyway, I can remove this with hopefully just one hand. I just slightly put it in. Okay. Okay guys, I put on the switch here. And you guys see. Hopefully. Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see on the big one right there. Yeah, on this one guy. You can see, yeah, on top of my finger. Yeah, that one. Yeah, this one. As you can see, it cracked around. Yep. And anyway, when I resoldered it all, and see if we're back to work, because when I take it out and I try to crack on the relay like this and put it back, it worked. And I found crack here. Yeah, see that? Hope you guys can see in the video. Let me put here for because it's too bright. You guys cannot see it. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, you can see the crack right there. Yeah, right here. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. This vehicle saved money. I don't know how much the flasher to go ahead and resolder, and then we go back to work normal. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.